At the end of this video, we will able to remember all the types of hospitals. Hospitals have been classified in many ways based on different criteria. The types of hospitals are size or bed capacity, ownership or control, system, and last one is objectives. We can remember it by the simple trick, that is, we know the spelling of hospital. In the spelling of this hospital, there is O and S. O and S. O for ownership or control. S for size or bed capacity. Again O for objectives. And S for system. By this simple trick, we can remember all the 4 types of hospitals very easily. First one is S for size or bed capacity. Second is O for ownership or control. Third is S for system, and last one is O for objectives. These are 4 types of hospitals. First, size or bed capacity. The size of an institution is determined by the numbers of bed it has. Size or bed capacity is it has 3 obvious types, that is small, medium, and large. First, small hospital bed capacity of 100 or less. It has less than 100 beds, known as small capacity bed. Second type of bed capacity is medium. Medium size hospital bed capacity is 101 to 300. Third one is large size hospital bed capacity 301 to 1000 beds. It means in large bed capacity hospital it has more than 301 beds. Second type of hospital is O for ownership or control. On the basis of ownership or control, hospitals are classified into, these are 2 types of ownership and control, which is government or public hospital. Second one is non-governmental hospital. These are 2, government and non-government. First type of ownership or control is government or public hospital. These are run by control or state government or local bodies on non-commercial line. Second type of ownership or control is non-government hospital. The non-government hospital has 3 types. It is voluntary hospitals, private nursing homes or hospitals, corporate hospitals. Voluntary hospitals means controlled by its own, which are established and incorporative under the Societies Act 1860. Second type of non-governmental hospital is private hospitals or private nursing homes. They are generally owned by an individual doctors or group of doctors. They are run on commercial basis. The third type is cooperative hospitals. They are the public limited companies formed under the Companies Act and are run by commercial basis. Private hospitals is also commercial basis. They can be either general or specialized or both. Third type of hospital is objectives. Based on the objectives, hospitals can be classified into the following. Objectives has 5 types, that is teaching cum research hospital, general hospital, specialized hospital, isolation hospital, and the last one rural hospital. First type of objective is teaching cum research hospital. First point, the primary objective is training of doctors and research. It gives the training to the doctors and researchers. Healthcare is secondary, example medical college hospital. It gives the training in medical college hospital. Second, general hospital. These hospitals offer treatment for common diseases, example PSC. Third, specialized hospital. These hospitals concern on giving medical and nursing care in a specific area. Example, ophthalmic, orthopedic, heart hospital. Fourth type of hospital is isolation hospital. This is a hospital in which client requiring isolation or client suffering from communicable disease are taken care of patient. Rural hospital. Rural hospital are those located in rural areas. The fourth type of hospital is S for system. According to System of Medicine, hospital has 2 types, which is long-term care or chronic care. Second one is short-term care hospital or acute care hospital. Long-term care hospital or chronic hospital. In this, client stays in the hospital for a long time and the disease may be of chronic nature, example leprosy, cancer, etc. It means it requires long time to cure the disease. Second, short-term care hospital or acute care hospital. In this, the stays in hospital for a short time and the disease is usually of acute nature, example pneumonia, gastroenteritis. It means it requires very short time to cure it.